Are you an author, publisher, or e-commerce seller looking to streamline your book distribution? This video is for you. We'll explore the benefits and process of book fulfillment and how a specialized 3PL like eFulfillment service can be your ideal partner. Book fulfillment is the comprehensive process of storing, packing, and shipping books directly to your customers. It's crucial for efficiently getting your published works into the hands of readers. So why would someone want to outsource their fulfillment to a third-party logistics company? Outsourcing book fulfillment frees up your time and resources. It allows you to focus on writing, marketing, and growing your business, rather than managing logistics. Let's walk through the typical book fulfillment process when you partner with a 3PL like eFulfillment service. The first step is receiving your book inventory. Our team carefully unloads, inspects, and logs your books into our system, ensuring everything is accounted for. Once received, your books are stored in our secure warehouse. We use advanced inventory management systems to track every copy, ensuring accuracy and accessibility. When a customer places an order, our system receives it electronically. Our team then efficiently picks the requested books from storage, ready for packaging. Books are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transit. We use optimal packing materials and select the most cost-effective and reliable shipping methods to get your books to customers quickly. Returns are an inevitable part of any business. We handle the entire returns process, from receiving and inspecting returned books to restocking or disposing of them as per your instructions. So why choose eFulfillment service for your book fulfillment needs? Because we make it easy. No setup fees, no order minimums, no long-term contracts. Just fast, reliable fulfillment, built for authors and online booksellers. Need to ship signed copies? We'll pull from your dedicated inventory and can add custom inserts or labels, like a signed by author sticker. Want to bundle a book with a mug, a bookmark, or custom inserts? We'll kit it for you with our kitting and light assembly service. With eFulfillment service, you get more than logistics. You get a fulfillment partner that understands how to deliver for authors. Our onboarding process is designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. We work closely with you to integrate our services with your existing sales channels. Visit our website or call us today to request a free quote. Let eFulfillment service become your trusted partner in book fulfillment.